Hello everyone. So today I'm about to give different book recommendations for different age groups. So this will be like a very quick video in which I'm just flashing a book on the screen, giving a little brief background about the book, telling the age group, and this video is for all the people who need a book to read but can't find any good ones. So let's begin. First, we have the 6 to 8 years age category. So I would recommend authors like David Walliams for this, especially Astrogen, because it's like a comic book, and I'm pretty sure children that age will like it. There are also like books like Wordsworth's Parents. This is also from David Walliams, along with like other Wordsworth books. The latest one is Wordsworth Superhero, which is coming on May 22nd, 2025. So these books are quite interesting, and honestly, even I love reading them. This is very childish, but like I still love it, and I'm pretty sure 6 to 8-year-olds will also love it. So it's just full of comedy, a little bit of mystery. It depends actually. This is full of like different genres, but the main genre is comedy. And then for more mature readers, I would also recommend other David Walliams books like Demon Dentist, Gangsta Granny, etc. And then there are also fun guides. Now onto the age group of 8 to 10 years. So obviously I'm going to begin by recommending the already pretty much fan favorite Percy Jackson for ages 8 to 10. You can also read above that age. I read this at the age of 9 and I loved it. Although there are some Rick Riordan books which I wouldn't say are for that age, like the Greek heroes and the Greek gods, pretty much all readers can still read it. Then there are some really funny additional guides which I'm pretty sure people of this age would love. It includes Percy's great reports and everything. So as an overview, Percy Jackson is all about a person like a dyslexic and ADHD boy who finds out that the world of Greek mythology and like gods are real, and then he just has to like navigate through that life, and it's very interesting. It's full of suspense, mystery, and it's also very funny because like the main character is a very sarcastic person. Then other than that, I would also recommend Violet Veil Mysteries by Sophie Cleverly. These are murder mysteries and they're very intriguing. A little childish for someone my age, but then again, I don't mind reading them. So even people above the age of 10 can read them. However, I wouldn't say that people of that age should read all Rick Riordan books. Like 10-year-olds, 9-year-olds can read The Sun and the Star, but like I personally would not recommend this for 8-year-olds, but it's fine. And then The Daughter of the Deep is amazing, one of my favorite books from Rick Riordan series. Now onwards to the ages of 10 to 12. Okay, now for 10 to 12 years, I have a huge list. So I've shortlisted those and I'm showing you some of my favorites. So first I have Robin Stevens' books. She has like a very big series, so I've just picked out a few books. It all begins with Murdermost and Ladylike. This is basically like a murder mystery series set during the time of the Nazis. It's a very interesting book. It's impossible to guess. Like at the age of 13, I still love it. So I feel like someone till the age of 15 can also read it. First Class Murder, one of her best books. This is the third part of the series and has an impossible mystery. The last part, amazing again. So like the main genre is murder and mystery, but there are many like side genres as well. She also has various puzzle books. Then like a detective series for the next generation of like children, and more puzzle books. And this will also teach you all about like code breaking, puzzle solving, all of that. So it's very fun and very intriguing and one of my personal favorites by Robin Stevens. Then I have Harry Potter, an obvious classic. 8 to 10 years can also read this. I forgot to recommend it in that age category. So I have Secrets of Dumbledore. This is a continuation of Harry Potter. And yeah, one more recommendation, Scarlet and Ivy by Sophie Cleverly. So I recommended Violet Veil Mysteries. This is by the same author. People that age can also read this, but like the level of mystery is suitable for this age group as well. It's very interesting. It's basically about lots of mysteries in the school called Rookwood, where two girls go and like they're twins, but one twin gets missing in the first book. We have The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. So I'm pretty sure most people have seen the movie here. It's about a person named Katniss who's put in this like battlefield sort of place, and they have to and there's only like one last person standing out of 12 people, and there are 12 districts. I can't justify this book, it's so good, but it's basically full of fighting, you could say, and it has various genres, so I can't even specify like one main genre, but it's very interesting and I love it. Then there's also books by pseudonymous Bosch, so like the Secret series, and he'll also encourage you to write your own books. I'll just show you the Secret series. There's really an exhaustive list for this category. So here's the Secret series by pseudonymous Bosch. Once again, it's all very mysterious. It features like a girl named Cassandra, and alongside her friend Max Ernest. And both of them are solving this mystery, which involves lots of chocolate, white-gloved people, and just mystery. It's just mystery. And then one more recommendation, The London Eye Mystery by Siobhan Dowd. This is another mystery book. It's about someone who disappears and like the family and how like the family members solve the case. And this is continued in Guggenheim Mystery by Robin Stevens. So yeah, these are the book recommendations for ages 10 to 12. And now we have the 12 to 14 years category. For this, I have one recommendation, but that recommendation itself is amazing. So I would recommend The Inheritance Games by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. These are the pictures of all the book covers. There are 4 alongside an additional guide, Games Untold. And currently the grandest games along with like parts coming in the future. This series is amazing. It has mystery, even some murder, like everything. It's very interesting, includes all the genres, the characters very relatable, very nice. Like I'm just obsessed with the whole series because it's very good. Other than that, I would also recommend some more books by Jennifer Lynn Barnes, like The Naturals, etc. And then for 14 to 16 years, these books by Richard Osman. These are also murder mysteries, but they're very nice. You can also read these, and if you have like mature readers or people who are little immature in reading, then you can like adjust the age ratings accordingly. But otherwise, these are my recommendations. I'm going to show some more as I take you through a tour of all the books I have. Let's go. So this is my library, currently overcluttered due to a lot of books, but I'm going to run through all of them. This is Robin Stevens, Sophie Cleverly, Rick Riordan, small corner dedicated to Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I'll be adding more books and dedicating a separate area. Pseudonymous Bosch, Suzanne Collins, aka Hunger Games, Harry Potter, Richard Osman books at the back, Marvel section, so if you want like all the encyclopedias, additional guides, comics, Marvel, DC and Greek mythology, sorry. So if you want to know more about these two, you can message in the comment section. These are books I haven't read yet, but I know about them and they're also really good, and you have my recommendations for these. Here I have diaries and stuff, very important. Then in this drawer I have David Walliams books. These are all the books he has currently. Then below, I didn't mention this author, but he's amazing. So these are the Ross Welford books. For ages even younger, like for instance 6 to 8 years, you can also read Sudha Murthy and the Haley Mysteries. Then I have Sherlock Holmes and some like additional books here. Saradri Adventure, also very good, but you might lose focus in these, so I would only recommend them to like 12 to 13 year olds or like mature readers. Here, this is just like a mix of books. These 4 to 5 years perfect, or like 6-year-olds, even Famous 5. All of these books. We have Right Please Believe It or Not, etc. All of these books have my recommendation, really. Some more books here. These are mainly like word searches and stuff, but they're also very intriguing. So yeah, that's my whole library, and these are most of my book recommendations.